Do you have questions concerning the smart board? Is the screen not big enough? Is the playback content not clear enough? Or is the writing not smooth? Well, I'm going to give you a few suggestions about the smart board.
Hey Lori, I'm very happy to listen. Could you give me a brief explanation?
So this is the all-in-one smart board. You can use your fingers to write directly on the screen, or you can use the pen that you see in my hand right here. You can erase, zoom in, zoom out. You can move content around the screen. It also has the function to split screen, where you can have two applications display at the same time on your screen, like so. And it's very convenient. You can do AirPlay on your phones, transfer the image on your phone to the screen. It's very good for learning, meetings, and this is a must-have if you ask me.
Where is the product suitable for use? Could you please recommend it to me?
Okay, the smart board is very versatile. It's a very versatile product. It is very much used in medium and large size companies. You can also use them in schools for learning, obviously, and it's very handy when it comes to doing remote meetings, because it makes your meetings more efficient and convenient. So you'd find these things around companies, schools, and just anything that has to do with learning and science and tech and stuff like that.
Thank you for your explanation for you. This is a very good product.
Yes.